Hello my friends, in this video I will show you how to connect to your IP camera, adjust the settings and manage the camera. If you open standard browser and type the address, usually is default address 192.168.1 and 100, but I changed mine to 101. And you will get this message: your browser is too new. So what we're gonna do here is go inside the Windows sandbox mode that came with Windows 10, and you will go inside here in the search. We will write Internet Explorer and hit enter. Maximize the screen. Now you can write the IP address 192.168.1 and 101. Just make sure that your is at default address, and automatically it will ask you, do you want to install ActiveX? Yes. Wait a few moments. If it doesn't show, just click down here and click run. Install in English, in company name, next, install it, refresh the page, and now click the yellow. Refresh the page one more time and change the language to English. Username, default is admin and blank password, and click on login. And now just click OK. Choose device config. This is the device configuration. Click on this gear and in general, and you can adjust the language, time, whatever you need. Click cancel, and then go to network, change the IP address, and when this is done, go inside the camera and you can adjust all the options that you want to change. And this is basically it. Also here you can click advanced, go on account and change the account. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.